I'm going to explain the risk assessment of flood hazard analysis. So for the risk assessment, you have to have the hazard information and land use data. So in the land use data, you have to have a settlement area and the paddy field. If you can see it in the attribute tables, this is one thing. Now I am in the shapefile of the settlement area and the paddy field. The paddy field starting in the ArcGIS, and then you have to go to the geoprocessing because now I'm going to flip the settlement area by hazard information. Go to the geoprocessing, then flip input layer hazard, overlaying layer is a land use data, and select the folder where you would like to save the share file. So you need to select the input and output layer. Input layer should be hazard map, overlay layer land use. Now I'm going to select the folder where I'm going to save the shape file. I'm writing the name of the shape file. Click save. And then so it will take a few seconds to complete the process and complete the process and create the shape file. Still working. 50% is left. So 10% is still remaining. So you can see I'm going to export the shape file now. Okay. And shape file is exported. You can see the change of the color, which area have a maximum inundation and how much benefit is under the inundation. You can see. So and also if you can change the properties, and you have to copy the style for the match the layer property. So I have changed the color. It's in the previous shape file layer. I'm inside the file of the proposal union boundaries. Proposal boundaries. And yeah, open attribute tables, and we have to calculate the area of inundation wise, inundation depth wise area. So I'm going to calculate the area here through this process. We have to calculate the area. again, uh, join the attribute by the layer. So to attribute table, we have to join for calculating the total area by inundation line. So this is the process. How to join the attribute tables by layer, and you have to select the folder where you would like to keep the things. And now you'll see the settlement petty field, field settlement petty field area. Speed table. You have to export the CSV file, and to Excel and calculate the area of petty field and settlement area. This is the procedure to uh, calculate the petty field and settlement area. You have to delete unnecessary column and row for the calculations purpose. So this three column and row is required for the area calculations by inundation. This is the inundation depth. I'm writing now step by step. You can see the inundation depth in the area. I'm calculating the inundation depth wise area in hectare. And this is the calculation of the area. You have to consider the inundation depth to calculate the area. This is the step by step calculation of the area inundation wise. So this is another depth of the area. So you can consider uh, this area to this specific depth. I'm going to select the cell up to which cell will calculated. Finally, mountain three nation deck summary in the total area, which is under the more than 3 meter depth. This is the results I can show you, and this is the map of the upper and with and without projects.